In our last video on Soso Value, I showed you guys how to purchase the Soso Value Index. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to complete the laptop task. Yes, that is the installing of Soso Value to your PC so that you get some amount of XP points that you are going to be using. Now, for those of you that have not completed that task, that is the purchasing of the indexes, you can check the top of your screen. I will have pinned the video here so that you can follow the exact steps that I did in order to complete that task. And just in case, for those of you that might want to purchase the base ETA that you need or the USDC on base that you're going to use to complete that task, like I've said in that video, you can also send me a DM. Just check the description box of this video. Now, once you're on this your screen here, you click on this starter pack. If I click on starter pack, you can see install desktop app. If I install this, I'll be able to claim 150 XP points. Now, if I should click on this completed, and let's scroll up so that I'll show you the task I'm talking about. So if I scroll up here, we're going to locate that task whereby we have to buy source of value indexes. Now, I've seen some rumors online that that task is your eligibility criteria task and the likes. Look at it here, buy source of value index. Now, I'll say that information is false, but as I've always advised, any airdrop that you're participating in that requires you to do transaction, make sure to do it. It increases your chances. Now, once we have that out of the way, what I'm going to click now is to click on this install so that we'll complete this task. For you to do this task, you need to have a PC, very important, but not that much of a tedious PC. Even if you have your Chromebook, you can do it. So you basically have to just to tap on that install. You can see the link has been copied to my clipboard. The next thing I'm going to do now is to head over to my PC and I'm going to show you when and what you need to do. Once you come over to your PC, you paste the link in any of your browser, and as you can see, this is how it looks like. Then you look for this install app at the top right of my screen. You tap on it, and as you can see, it shows you these two menu. Now I'm going to click on install for desktop, not mobile. So once you do that, you can see install for desktop, blah blah blah, and I'm going to tap on the install. So here is it. This is the application now. It has now been successfully installed. So you can see it has opened up and that install app is still displaying, but this time around, if I click on it, it is going to show me to install for mobile. So yes, that is out of the way. So what we need to do now, let me first of all show you. Let me click on that install app. You can see once I tap on it, you can see install the app for better experience, mobile, blah blah blah. Now what we need to do now is to log in my source of value on this place so that we can complete the task. So because of that, this is my second screen here. I'm going to tap on this login button. You can use any method of your choice. For me, I used my email address. So I'm going to first of all check this in. You can see the captcha has been completed. Then I'm going to go ahead with my Google and I'm going to be using my email. And yes, it has been logged in successfully. So this is my account. Now, this is the first time I am accessing this on my PC. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to look for that, is it indexes or the page that normally displays it. So let's see. I want to show you to see if the task has been completed. Then we're going to head over to our mobile device to see also if the task has been completed. So what I'll do is I'm going to tap on this my XP balance that is at the top right of my screen, where you can see the 23 million XP, whatever. So I'm going to tap on it. Once we are here now, this is my XP page. Now I'm going to click on this starter pack and you can see completed. All of them have been completed. But for us to properly verify that this thing has been completed successfully and I have gotten the XP point, we're going to head over to my mobile device now so that I show you the needful. Now that we have that out of the way, if I come over to my social value application right now, come over to the EXP points, and then I'm going to come over to the starter pack once again, and you will see that my task has been completed. So there is currently no pending task. I'm going to advise you, make sure you have all of this completed so that you are going to be eligible for the airdrop. And once again, make sure you're subscribed to this channel, turn on the bell icon to get notifications whenever I upload a new video just like this one. If you want to buy or sell Sidra, you can send me a DM. If you want to complete your Sidra chain KYC online without having to visit a physical center, because Sidra chain asks you to visit a physical center. If you don't want to do that and you want to complete your KYC online, you can simply send me a DM. You can check the description box of this video. There'll be a link there to my Telegram channel. Once you come into my Telegram channel, the first thing you should do is to check the pinned post. There is a warning message there, and in that warning message, there is my WhatsApp contact where you can message me.